I'm proud to be given this opportunity to embark on this new ferry service. I'm even more excited to embark on this ferry service because of the many times before me, people have tried and it was not sustainable. I like when someone tells me it can be done. That alone is my motivation. And I want the people of Statia to have the confidence in me and my company that we will together build a sustainable trade. I was privileged to enter a bid that was handed out by the Dutch government to produce a connectivity between the islands of Saba, Statia, St. Martin, and St. Kitts. I was one of 13 or 14 entities, and for some reason, I'm here. That means I had to be doing something right to win this bid. But you haven't seen the real thing yet. This afternoon, many of you will have an opportunity to ride on a Makana to see the luxury, the comfort that you all would enjoy. The channel between Saba, between Statia and St. Martin is not an easy channel. It's a rough at times. Most of the times it's a rough channel. But with a vessel like the Makana, I believe it'll be a comfortable ride that the people can enjoy.